rhombus is equal to half d1 into d2. Lakshmi CV, area of trapezium. Lakshmi, area of trapezium.
Ma'am, h into height into a
Yes.
plus b by 2.
Okay. Adleo, area of trapezium. Adleo, area of trapezium. Area of
H into, ma'am,
yeah.
H into A plus B by 2.
Yeah. H into A plus B.
By
H
2.
into Nivedya, area of a general quadrilateral. Nivedya, area of a general quadrilateral.
Half into h1 plus h2.
Half into
h1 plus h2.
half into h1 plus h2. Area of a general trapezium, Nivedya.
I'm trapezium or quadrilateral?
General quadrilateral. General quadrilateral. Area of general quadrilateral. Half into
h1 half into h1 plus h2.
half h1 plus h2. I mean, area of a general quadrilateral. I mean,
Half d
half d into
h1 plus h2.
h1 plus h2. Aditya Sindhub, area of Aditya Sindhub. Aditya Sinub, okay. Area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus. Area of rhombus. Area of rhombus. Aditya Sin Advaid Sinub. Area of rhombus. Did you study it last day, Advaid? Did you study? Unmute, Advaid. Unmute and say.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are looking a book? This is the homework I have given to you, isn't it? Huh? Lakshmi, this was the homework, isn't it? Okay, now write the question. Write first question. The area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meters square. The area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meters square. It is the page 76, example 1 in your text. No, okay, not in your book. It is NCERT book. You have R.D. Sharma. So write the question. The area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meters square. Trapezium shaped field. Trapezium shaped field is 400. Distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter. 15 meter. One of its parallel side is 20 meter. One of its parallel side is 20 meter. Find other parallel side. We need to find PS. Draw a rough figure. Trapezium shaped. A trapezium shaped field. Field has shape of a trapezium. Given that area of trapezium is given that area of equal to area of trapezium shaped field is equal to what?
480
480 meters square. 480 meters square. And what are given? Distance between the parallel sides. That is our h. Distance between parallel side means h. H equal to 15 meter. And one of the parallel side is B, we don't know. We have area of trapezium equal to formula half h into a plus b. Half h into a plus b. H is 15 meter, A is 20, B, we need to find what is the value of B. But it is given that area is 480 meters square. So half into 15 into 20 plus B equal to 480. It is given in the question, area of the trapezium is 480. We have the formula half h into a plus b. In that h and a are given. H and a are given. So half into 15 into 20 plus b is equal to 480. 480. So 15 into 20 plus b equal to what? 15 into 20, that 2 will go to right side. So it becomes what? It will be 480 into 2. While cross multiplying, 2 will go to the right side of the numerator of the right side. And then 20 plus b equal to into 2 divided by 50. Simplify. 480 into 2 divided by 15. Simplify. We need to find one of the parallel sides. One is given as 20 and h also given as 15 meter. Total area is 480 meters square is given. We have the formula trapezium. Finding area of the trapezium is half h into a plus b by 2. Half h into a plus b by 2. So half 15 into 20 plus b equal to 480. 15 into 20 plus b equal to 480 into 2. Twenty plus b equal to 480 into 2 by 15. How much it is? 15. How many times in 480?
32.
32 times. So it is 64. 20 plus b equal to 64. So b equal to Alvin. B how much? Alvin. Find Alvin. Alvin. Benedict got B. B equal to how much?
Ma'am.
Hmm?
minus 20.
I can't hear you, maybe because of heavy rain is there.
64 minus 20.
Equal to what?
34.
34.
34.
44.
44.
44.
44.
44.
44 meter. 44 meter. Hence other parallel side is Hence, other parallel side of the field is 44 meter. You have to write the answer. The question is find the other parallel side of the field, and it is equal to 44 meter.
Ma'am.
44 meter. Once again, I will explain. Given the field, trapezium shaped field, total area of the trapezium is given as 480 meters square. And height is given. Height means the distance between the two parallel sides. Height is equal to 480 meters square, and one of the parallel side is given as 20 meters. Question is find the other parallel side. In this question, PS, the length of the PS we need to find. We have the formula half h into a plus b is the area of trapezium, and given that it is equal to 480. So for calculating b, first we are taking this 2 to the right side, so that it becomes 480 into 2. Then 15 to the denominator. We are dividing 480 by 15. We will get 32. 32 into 2 is 64. So B equal to 64 minus 20, 44. Clear? Anashwara, Abid, Abhiram, is that clear?
Yes,
Shall I
ma'am.
move to the next question? Tamanna, understood? Okay. Now we will move to the next question. Write the question. The shape of, can you see the question properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the question. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. A trapezium shaped table. A trapezium shaped table. And its area, we need to find its area of the top of the table. And what are given? Parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meters. You can see in the figure. After writing the question, draw a rough figure of the table. Parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter. And distance between the parallel sides. Distance between the parallel sides is this one. Distance between the parallel side is 0.8. That is h equal to 0.8 meter.
0.8.
H is given. And this, the length of the parallel sides. Length of the parallel side means A is 1 meter,
1
B
meter,
is 1.2 meter.
1.2.
Then question is very simple. Question is find the area of the trapezium shaped top. So we have the formula. Write the formula, then substitute. Very simple question. Do it. Write the formula. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to formula. Alvin, what is the formula for area of trapezium? Alvin. Alvin, unmute and say.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute and say area of trapezium is?
And 1 by 2 into B1
trapezium. Area of trapezoid is there in your book. Last problem we have done using the same formula. Did you write the last problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see. Show your book. Alvin, show your book. Last problem. Where is your book? You are not writing, Alvin. Switch on your video, Alvin. Alvin, switch on your video. Where you are going? So you didn't write, Alvin, isn't it? Isn't it, Alvin? Why you are not writing? Alvin. Area of trapezium equal to Sridev. What was the formula?
Half into H
Half H into
A plus B.
A plus B. So we can substitute half into H is 0.8 into 1 plus 1.2. Find out. Equal to what? Equal to Pooja. What was the answer?
Ma'am, half into 0.8 into 2.2.
Equal to what?
That is equal to half into, no, 0.8 by 2 into 2.2.
Fine. Give the final answer.
I'm 17.
17. No.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm 0.88 meter.
0.88
Ma'am,
meter. 0.88
0.8
meter square.
meter square.
Simple calculation, decimal values, addition and multiplication. Understood all of you this question?
Yes,
Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is the length of the fence The length of the fence of a trapezium-shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. BC 48. Length of the fence of a trapezium-shaped field ABCD is 120 meter and BC is 48 meter, CD 17 meter, AD 40 meter. Area of the field if side AB is perpendicular to the parallel side AD and BC. So we need to find area. For finding area, parallel sides are given, perpendicular distance is not given. This is the perpendicular distance. AB is the perpendicular distance between AD and BC. AD and BC are the parallel sides. Anashwara, how can we find AB? Okay, write the question, then we will discuss. Or Nivedya, how can we find the H? Parallel sides are given 40 and 48. How which one is the H here? Which side is H? Nivedya?
AB, ma'am.
AB side, because it is given that AB is perpendicular to AD and BC. So it is the perpendicular distance. AB is the perpendicular distance. How we will find it? How can we find AB? Irene, how can we find AB? How can we find AB? Anashwara? Anashwara? Amaljit? How we will get AB?
Ma'am, don't know, ma'am.
Okay, Lakshmi? Any idea?
No, ma'am.
Read the question thoroughly. Okay, Lakshmi, read the question. Lakshmi, read the question.
Length of the fence of a trapezium-shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC
Okay,
equal
Lakshmi,
to
wait, Lakshmi. Length of the fence means, what is it? Length of the fence means, in our math, it is what?
Perimeter.
Benedict,
perimeter.
yes, it is the perimeter. Very good. Length of the fence means it is the perimeter. Is the perimeter. Okay. So three sides are given. Three sides are given. Huh? So how we will find AB?
Ma'am,
We should add all three
120
sides
minus
Yes,
from
yes,
perimeter.
yes. Okay, good. Yes. That is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA equal to 120. And AB we don't know. So BC is 48 plus 17 plus 40 equal to 120. Okay, so you find AB equal to what? AB equal to?
50.
Find out.
50.
Yes, Ken, correct. 120 minus 105. So AB equal to 15 meter. So that is our H. H equal to 15 meter. A equal to 40 meter and B equal to 48 meter. Now write area of, question is area of the field, area of trapezium. Trapezium shaped field equal to half H into A plus B. Half H into A plus B. Substitute. Everything is, now we got it, H, A and B. Substitute and find. So equal to half into 15 into 40 plus 48 equal to what? Half into 15 into 40 plus 48.
660 meters square.
660 meters square. 660 meters square. The area of the field is area of the field is 660 meters square. Area of the field is 660 meters square. So in this question, what are given? Given is a trapezium shaped field. Given is a trapezium shaped field and its perimeter is given. Perimeter is 120. All the three sides are given. So fourth side we can find out. That is AB we can find by subtracting the sum of the other three sides from 120. And also given that length AB is perpendicular to BC and AD, which means it is the height of the trapezium, or it is the distance between the parallel side, or height is AB. By subtracting 120 minus 105, we are getting AB as 15 meter. Now we got height A and B, parallel sides and height. So write the formula half H into A plus B. So half into 15 into 40 plus 48, we will get 660 meters square. 660 meters square. Okay, understood? Tamanna, what is the formula for area of trapezium? Tamanna, area of trapezium?
Half H A plus B.
Half H into A plus B. Abid, area of rhombus? Abid, area of rhombus?
Half
Half?
D,
Half?
D1 into D2.
D1 into D2. Advait, area of rhombus? Advait Murali, area of rhombus?
Then half
Uh,
half 1 by 2.
half? Rhombus.
Half D1 into D2.
Half D1 into D2. Good. Lynette, area of a general quadrilateral?
Half D into H1 plus H2.
Very good. Half D into H1 plus H2. Okay, now we will move to next question. Find area of the rhombus. Find area of the rhombus whose side is 6 centimeter. Whose side is 6 centimeter and whose altitude is 4 centimeter. Altitude is 4 centimeter. One of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long. Find the length of the other diagonal. 1 second. Find the length of the other diagonal. A rhombus with 6 centimeter sides. Sides are 6 centimeter. All the sides are 6 centimeter and whose altitude is 4 centimeter. Altitude is 4 centimeter. One of the diagonal is 8 centimeter. One of the diagonal is 8 centimeter. Find its area and other diagonal. Find its area and other diagonal. Draw a rough figure. This diagonal, we need to find this diagonal. What can we do? How can we find area and the other diagonal? How will find the area? Anybody? Any idea? It is a rhombus. Side and height is given. How we will find area of rhombus? Just now we studied area rhombus as half D1 into D2. If D1 and D2 are given, D1 and D2 are the diagonal. Here only one diagonal is given. Other diagonal we don't know. So that formula we cannot use. So which method we will use?
Quadrilateral. Area of a general quadrilateral.
Okay, if it is general quadrilateral, what are H1 and H2? Are they given? H1 and H2. That is height of the two triangles. Are they given?
Ma'am, area of parallelogram.
Louder.
Area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram.
Area of parallelogram is what? Formula?
B into
Who said that? Who said that? Area of parallelogram.
Ma'am, Ken.
Very good, Ken. You are correct. Very good. Because rhombus is a parallelogram. Since rhombus is a parallelogram, we can use the formula for finding area of parallelogram BH. Base is 6. H is given, isn't it? H is 4. H is how much? 4 centimeter. H is 4 centimeter and base is 6 centimeter. Since rhombus is a parallelogram, we can use BH for finding the area of the rhombus. Okay, so write a rhombus is a parallelogram. First you write a rhombus is a parallelogram. A rhombus is a parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is BH. Therefore, area of rhombus also we can use the formula. BH B equal to 6 centimeter, H equal to 4 centimeter. So, therefore, area of given rhombus is 24 centimeter square. Okay, next step I am giving you as a homework. Okay, find the diagonal. Area we found. Next step is one diagonal is given. Find the other diagonal of the rhombus. Okay, do it as homework. Okay, bye all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye. We will meet in the next day. Today we have only one period. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.